Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another product review. Today, we're going to be reviewing two air filters for my 2003 Z4. Now, you know, we're like the science channel here, so I got my blower set up. We're going to see what the airflow is coming through these air filters compared to no air filter. So we're going to be comparing this high flow filter I bought off Amazon for 15 bucks. And then we'll compare the flow through this Microgard filter to see what the difference is between the two. And then just for the fun of it, we're gonna see what the airflow is through an air filter that is about 8 months old and went through the Oregon fire, so it's full of smoke and a bunch of other stuff. All right, well, let's get to the video. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more content. I'm going to be doing more and more videos as time goes. And as always guys, thanks for watching. As always, have a blessed day.